Students, today we shall look at form and function labels. In that, we will concentrate on function labels. Now, which are the function labels? If you look at the screen, the words which are highlighted in green letters, they are function labels. In front of them, there are labels. Those are highlighted in yellow color, and this yellow color, what will it indicate? It will indicate that these are the short forms of the green letters. Now look one by one. Subject is shown as or labeled as capital S. Predicator indicates P. Object is shown as capital O. Direct object is shown as capital O small d. Indirect object is shown as capital O small I. Complement is shown as capital C. Subject complement is shown as capital C small s. Object complement is shown as capital C small o, and adverbial is shown as A, capital A. Now look here, there are about 9 labels which are associated with function labels. In short, how you will memorize those labels. I shall give you a trick. You can understand that function labels can be memorized as SPOCA. SPOCA in a sense, capital S, capital P, capital O, capital C, capital O, and A. SPOCA in a sense, S stands for subject, P stands for predicator, O stands for object, C stands for complement, and A stands for adverb. Now these are the labels which are called as function labels. Function label in a sense, when we construct or when you construct a sentence, at the time the words remain no more in the form of parts of speech. Moreover, the functions of those words are different, and therefore each sentence each sentence is built up with part of speech. It is very simple, or it is grammatical exercise to have form labels using part of speech. Moreover, after that, this year we are going to analyze on function labels. मराठीमध्ये ज्याला आपण सब्जेक्ट म्हणजे कर्ता, प्रेडिकेटर म्हणजे क्रियापद, ऑब्जेक्ट म्हणजे कर्म, ॲडव्हर्बियल म्हणजे थोडक्यात क्रियाविशेषण, आणि कॉम्प्लिमेंट्स म्हणजे वाक्यातील पूरक भाग असणारा, कॉम्प्लिमेंटरी असणारा भाग, याला आपण अशा पद्धतीने डिव्हिजन करतो. कोणत्याही वाक्यामध्ये सब्जेक्ट हा एक लेबल असू शकतो, प्रेडिकेटर पी असू शकतो, ओ असू शकतो, पण ओ मध्ये आपल्याला डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट, इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट आणि ओनली ओ या पद्धतीनेच कॉम्प्लिमेंट, subject complement and object complement. Means if you observe carefully, you will find that there are three types of O and there are three types of C. Once again, object, direct object, indirect object, complement, subject complement, object complement. Means when we look at the sentence, you will find that we can analyze the sentence on the basis of this one. For example, we can have simple example. Which one? Sita walks slowly. Sita walks slowly. In this sentence, remember, Sita on the function level, you will find Sita is subject. Walks is a predicator and slowly is an adverbial. Why? The process of walking, action of walking is done by Sita. Who walks? Sita walks. And therefore, as Sita walks, Sita becomes subject. It is called as doer. मराठीत ज्याला म्हणतो की कृती करणारा घटक. सीता वॉक्स स्लोली याच्यामध्ये वॉकिंग किंवा वॉक ही कृती करणारी व्यक्ती कोण आहे? घटक कुठला आहे? सीता. म्हणून सीता हा सब्जेक्ट झाला. अँड व्हेअर इज द ॲक्शन? वॉक्स. ॲज वॉक्स इज verb and action is shown in verb, it is called as predicator. Now slowly, how does Sita walk? Sita walks slowly. Walks याला अनुसरून एक शब्द दिलेला आहे slowly. सीता कशी चालते? Slowly, fast, hurriedly. Means these are all adverbials. One of them is shown. Moreover, it is one more criteria to memorize, to understand adverbial. Remember that adverbials are always optional. They are the part of sentence, but the sentence, if you remove adverbial, sentence does not create any problem. For example, Sita walks slowly. In this sentence, if we remove slowly, Sita walks, grammatically correct. But if you remove Sita and you will only read walks slowly, it is not grammatical unit, proper grammatical unit of sentence. If you take Sita slowly, once again here is a problem. And therefore, how to recognize adverbials? Adverbials are optional. After all, they are adverbs. And therefore, adverbials in grammatical sense, they are optional. And in this sense, as Sita walks slowly, what you should do in the examination? Suppose this sentence is given, Sita walks slowly. Sita, write down in the next line, right in front of Sita, capital S. Walks, write down next line, write predicator, capital P. In the same way, slowly, write in the next line, right in front of slowly, capital A. It means that Sita, subject, walks, predicator, and slowly, adverbial. In this way, we can analyze simple sentence. Moreover, remember, function labels are given in the sentence on the upper side of the sentence. In the next lecture, we shall see how to write them. But you can use function labels above the words and form labels below the words. When we shall actually analyze sentences giving form and function labels, at the time we can have such a kind of exercise. Means after looking in detail, you will find that there are two parts in this unit: form labels, function labels. What you can do exercise at home? You can write down from subject to adverbial one by one, and in front of them write the function labels. Now I think it is sufficient today. We shall look again this topic next time. Thank you.